Okay. We need to figure out lunch, and we still have so much chicken left over.
Really?
Yeah. The pizza was good, but we need to get rid of so much more chicken.
I don't really want to do barbecue or anything. I know that was, and pizza's Dunsky too now. It's overplayed. Do you have any ideas?
Yeah, how about we make a wrap?
Really? Okay.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'll be right back.
Someone let me use someone I'm human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm super human, innovative, and I'm in a problem. So that anything you say is like a shame off of me.
Welcome back to Smash Bros. Today we're going to do some more leftover chicken stuff. We're going to make some Thai lettuce wraps. Kind of Thai. Anyway, we've got 1.5 pounds of leftover chicken here. And, well, happens to a lot of people, you know? Got a bunch of extra chicken. What do you do with it? Let me show you something. This is a recipe I've made in several restaurants I've worked at. It's good. Start. Because it's from a restaurant, I always went by weight in restaurants, so I'll try to rough estimate the volume for you. In here I've got 10 cloves of garlic, 1 big shallot, and 1/2 ounce of cilantro. Now, 1/2 ounce of cilantro, that's roughly 1/3 cup. So we're going to dump her in our food processor there. Next, hoisin sauce. Nectar of the gods, right there.
That is fact.
That's the one. Looking for 8 ounces. So, 8 ounces. I'll give you the rough estimate of volume here. So roughly a cup of hoisin. Now for the honey. 1.5 ounces. It's going to be like a tablespoon, I bet. Honey is a heavy thing. We'll go with 2.5 tablespoons. Next, the mayonnaise.
It doesn't make a difference in the recipe if it's real mayonnaise.
Yeah, if it says mayonnaise in any recipe I make, it's always that kind. Every single time. Because we don't have Duke's mayonnaise up here. Down south, Duke's is the whip. Real mayonnaise, 4 ounces. That's about a 1/2 cup. Now, we blend. In, yes, of course, the Ninja. So we're just gonna get this basically as smooth as possible. Mix it with our chicken, and you're pretty much done. Let's go. Hit the sides real quick. Rubber spat. There's not any giant chunks of garlic or shallot or anything that'd be off-putting. Now, we take our sauce here, just dump it on our chicken. I'm gonna save a little bit, don't need all of it. But like I said, it's about 1.5 pounds chicken. And we mix it. And that's it. That's it. Now, we're doing a lettuce wrap thing, so you take your lettuce. This is butter lettuce, bib lettuce, Boston lettuce. It's hydroponic lettuce. Take one of those boys, slap some chicken on there, put whatever toppings you want. I mean, you can use tomato, literally whatever you want. It doesn't matter. Whatever veggies you have in the fridge, do you. Got a little sauce on there. It's like a lettuce taco. That's good.
Looks like a 2-biter.
Yeah, you can use tomatoes, red peppers, cucumbers, onion, whatever. Whatever you got. Squash if you want.
Slaps.
Yeah. Good. And how easy was that?
Like,
I took three total steps.
They do have long legs though.
True.